Hello friends, welcome back to Investing Catch-up channel. Today I have got an important topic to dive into, something that might hit home for many of us, quite literally. We are talking about home insurance premiums and a surprising turn of events that led to a jaw-dropping increase from $3,500 to $7,000 for my home. Let's get right into it. Now, we all know that home insurance is a crucial safeguard for our most valuable asset, our home. It provides us with that much needed peace of mind, knowing that we are protected against unforeseen events. But what happens when your insurance premium takes an unexpected leap? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. A few months ago, I received my annual home insurance renewal notice, and to say I was surprised would be an understatement. My premium, which had been around $3,300 for the past few years, had suddenly skyrocketed to nearly $7,000. Now, before we jump into conclusions, I wanted to understand why this happened. So I did what any curious homeowner would do. I picked up my laptop and started researching. I discovered a few key factors that contributed to the significant increase. First off, the region I live in had experienced a series of weather-related incidents, driving up the overall cost of claims in the area. Secondly, after research, I found out that this is all the same case for most of the states here. And lastly, the cost of building materials and labor had gone up substantially since my last policy. This meant that the expenses involved in repairing or rebuilding a home had surged. So here I was faced with a premium that had practically doubled. But what could I do about it? Well, I knew I had to take action, so I decided to explore my options. I shopped around for quotes from different insurance providers, considering factors like coverage limits, deductibles, and available discounts. During this process, I also took a hard look at my existing policy. Were there any elements I could adjust? Did I really need that extra coverage that was contributing to the high premium? In the end, after careful consideration and comparison, I found a policy that offered the coverage I needed at a more reasonable premium. It was certainly a step in the right direction. So, what's the takeaway from my little insurance adventure? Well, it's all about being proactive and being informed. Don't be afraid to question and negotiate, and most importantly, always keep an eye on changing factors that could impact your premium. So, be proactive, shop around, and review your policy regularly. Remember, your home is your haven and it's worth every effort to protect it wisely. That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this story helpful, or if you've got your own insurance tales to share, drop a comment below. Until next time, stay informed and stay covered. Bye.